Hello, dear students. This is the seventh session of unit number one, that is basic of software testing and testing method. Today we are going to discuss a box approach. Basically, there are two box approaches in software testing. First one is a white black box testing, and second one is a white box testing. So we'll start with the black box testing. So this is the first part of black box testing. In this part, we are just discussing about the black box testing, and in the second part, we are going to discuss about the static black box testing approach and dynamic black box testing approach. So we start with the black box testing right now. So what is black box testing? In black box testing, we are just checking an application by passing input and just check the what outcomes comes after the execution. We are not familiar with the internal structure of the code or internal structure of that application design, or we don't have any idea about the background process. We are just checking an application with the intention of finding the bug. So here we don't have any knowledge of the application. We are just checking the application by using the GUI. Of GUI means graphical user interface of that application. So I'm just reading this. Black box testing is also known as behavioral testing. It is a software testing method in which the internal structure, design and implementation of item being tested is not known to the tester. He is not familiar about the background details of an application. He is just checking the GUI and finding more and more defects. So this is called as black box approach, or we can say that black box testing. So see the diagram here. We are passing the test case input to the application. We don't have any knowledge. We are just check the test case output, and according to it we are taking decision that the test case is the test case is relevant or not, or the outcome which is fulfilling the customer requirement or not. So the advantages of black box testings are the tests are done from a user point of view and will help in exposing the discrepancies in the specification. Means we are just checking GUI. So we can say that we are checking the application according to the user point of view, and will try to discover the more and more bugs. So tester need not to know the programming language or how the software has been implemented. We There is a no need to have knowledge regarding the programming language and background details. We just need to check an application. So this is also an advantage. Anybody can check an application. We can say if your buddy or if your colleague also can check the application which is built by you, by just try to tell them to access the application by using your application GUI. So next is test can be conducted by a body independent from the developer, allowing for an objective perspective and the avoidance of developer bias. So tester is totally so what we can say independent from the developers. So they don't have any pressures of developer. They can check the application and try to discover more and more bugs. So next is test cases can be designed as soon as the specification are complete. So after completion of specification, so test cases can be built. Next is disadvantages of black box testing. Only a small number of possible inputs can be tested, and many programs paths will be left untested. So it is the very hectic task to test each and every field by passing an input. It is very much time consuming. So within a given period of time, it is difficult to cover all the parts or cover all the fields of an application. Next is without clear specification, which are the situation in many projects, test cases will be difficult to design. So, without having any background knowledge to design test cases for that particular application is very difficult task. So test can be a redundant if the software designer or developer has already run a test case. So there is a possibility of a redundancy of test cases if the tester can be applied that test cases to that to over the application for the purpose of discovering bug. So there is a possibility of redundancy of test cases. Thank you.